I'm officially retiring. He's taking over the practice right here. I got to teach him how to be a chiropractor, right? Right here. You ready? Here we go. On 3, you push. 1. 1, 2, push. Ah! Let's go. What are you doing? You got to take over the practice. Let's go. 2, 3, push. You got it?
Say the magic wall.
The magic wall
will make you tall.
will make it tall.
And we got to push. On 3. 1, 2, 3, push. There you go.
Ah, that feels good.
Whoa!
Whoa.
That was good.
That was good.
Stay right there. Watch. We're going to push on 3. 1, 2. There you go. There you go. Whoa! He's going to be here every Wednesdays.
That was awesome.